Gandhi! Rahul Gandhi!
Rahul Gandhi! Rahul Gandhi! Congress Party! Congress Party! Rahul Gandhi माफी मांगो! Rahul Gandhi माफी मांगो!
As a program linked to Sri Rahul Gandhi's voter Adhikar Yatra, foul and abusive words were used against our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, and even his late mother, Hiraben Ji. This was not a dissent, it was a collapse of basic decency. Yes, it is true that Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi Yadav had already left before those words were shouted. But leadership is not judged by where you stand. It is judged by what you permit in your name. If such language is heard from your stage, under your banners, the first duty of a responsible leader is to condemn it immediately and apologize to the people of India. Instead, what followed were delays, blame games, and legal complaints. In our civilization, a mother, any mother, commands reverence. Even during the fiercest political battles, our elders never dragged the mother into abuse. To insult a departed mother is not political criticism. It is an insult to every family that cherishes the memory of its elders. If we allow this to become the new normal, then tomorrow, no leader, no parent, no family will be spared from slander. I appreciate that Bihar Chief Minister Sri Nitish Kumar and Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah both condemned this behavior as highly objectionable. That is how civilized democracies react, by defending dignity first, politics second. The arrest of the accused shows that the law was acted, but the larger moral responsibility rests with those who allowed the platform to be misused. Rahul Gandhi often speaks of saving democracy and saving the constitution. Then let him begin by saving the culture of debate in India. Challenge the government on unemployment, on price rise, on farmers' issues or health care. That is his right and duty as an opposition leader. But do not drag personal insults and abusive words against a mother into public life. That lowers not Narendra Modi but Indian democracy itself. Let us not forget how this incident has already sparked political uproar across states. Protests broke out in Patna and Surat. BJP workers clashed with Congress supporters, and the air of public life was poisoned by anger and bitterness. Such a spectacle tarnishes the dignity of our democracy and risks dividing communities in the name of temporary political gain. Worse still, as seen in Chhattisgarh, where BJP leaders demanded an apology, the ripple effect of this incident is spreading nationwide. When political rhetoric degenerates into personal vilification, the victim is not just the person insulted, the victim is India itself. If we do not draw the line now, we risk corrupting the very foundation of public life. Therefore, I demand three things from Sri Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party. First, an unconditional apology to the nation for failing to prevent such disgrace. Second, a clear policy that any party worker uttering such language in future will face instant disciplinary action. Third, a bipartisan pledge from all parties that families, especially mothers, will remain out of bounds. We can fight fiercely on policies and ideas, but we must never fight on mothers. Friends, India is home to 140 crore voices. We may differ on policy, but we share one civilization. Governments rise and fall. Power is transient, but words endure. Let us choose words that uplift our republic and honor our heritage. In Bharat, we debate fiercely, but we never insult a mother. Thank you and Jai Hind. Aji Amihan Mahila Morja pra idu protest rally organized kurado. It is organized all over the country because during the election rally, during this Rahul Gandhi laga voters Adhikar rally day, Darbhanga, Bihar day, tar laga stage de bra tahan laga supporter ekta bra the words which cannot be uttered na manul usor de kobole na pare laga kotha gan koi gena amian laga honorable prime minister Narendra Modi ji ke bisti insult korise tahan bra political agenda laga against korile we will accept it but personal attack insulting in words which cannot be uttered in a common platform itu gua bra aro itu noy itu uporde aro bitar laga ama kun murige na ase itu laga against the insult brother we cannot accept it that is not insulting just the prime minister or his mother but they are insulting the whole women community of the country we take it in that way so we are organizing this rally to protest and tell Rahul Gandhi to apologize if he is a matured and responsible leader of the country why don't you come and apologize to the women of the country and for that purpose we are organizing this rally.
Okay, madam, I have a question to ask. As democratically, we have a right to ask you, and every citizen will ask you the same question. That is, I want to take you back into 2018, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while having a rally in Rajasthan, he made a comment like, "Congress ki kaun si bidwa?" Which widow of a Congress? Which was also an derogatory comment, which we can say against the widows, right? Which was made in the public. As same as now Congress, one of our supporter might be worker had given the statement recently at Darbhanga. So don't you know against that word made by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi itself?
No, that is because this is a political agenda which during election it is spoken. So during that
do you
period.
mean, ma'am, do you mean that because of the politics, any widow's name will be taken in publicly and then will be politicized?
No. That was because the Congress party president, she was also contesting, so that was how it was said. But today, what they have said is not against a candidate or a political party worker, but they said something against a late mother. So that is why we are against it.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
a mother who is not involved in politics
Yes, that's-
should not be insulted.
There's the same question
Yes.
which we're saying. We are not supporting any parties, but
Yeah.
we're asking the same question. You know, as the comment which has been made by the worker of a Congress party, it's also condemnable. We condemn it, but also the comment which was made by the Narendra Modi itself in a rally against the widow, saying like Congress ki kaun si widow. It was also against the woman. It was also against the widow. Who might she might be a mother of one. We don't know that, but it would be the same issue. So, apni kan itu same statement ke against kore aso koi do. Apni kan utu statement ki bhi against kore na kore. That's what we want to know.
If that was uttered, then of course. But today, what we are saying is the mother, a dead mother, itu ke insult kura. Kile koile do jan thagya manu logode koile alag kotha. But she is dead. And why should she be insulted and abused with such a language which is censored even in the TV media when you listen to the news?
So, ma'am, what do you mean by that? Any political leaders or any parties, whoever might be, kung bahalwi na against widows, diba, kasi murat.
Yes.
Baka naka-operate derogatory remarks, no matter the parties, ay apologize for wala lagi.
Yes. Yes. Nobody, no one, nobody should go against women. Okay? If it is a political agenda, that's okay. But a person insulting, abusing words, that is not the way of a civilized society. So that is what we are against.
So, what action you are demanding from the Congress party?
We want Rahul Gandhi to apologize. They say that he did not speak, but it was his party platform, it was his program. And he has given the permission, the sanction to that person to speak out. So that is why we say that he is the leader in whose rally that was uttered. So he should apologize.
Ma'am, apni kya question with you, moi. Democratically, apni han bhi right aise, but where else apni han bhi protest kuri thaka the Congress bawal la bahar de aise. Apni han right thai wo gurbale, but itia streets te, judicial highway de aise, jam gurne pura do. Thik asna na koi ni bhi division manu do question gurbale manu kan dikdar pa aise. To apni han bhi idula body kinga ko aro one ishna derogatory comment against the late mother of Prime Minister Narendra Modi aro saila body bhi purishe amian huda to apni han cancel purishe, but apni han la party to kiman tak logine jabo aro manu bishi ko ase. It could be political agenda trying to distract the voters because Congress party has raised a serious concern regarding the vote chori. So what would you say on that?
Now, which party doesn't have that? Okay, to be very frank, everybody wants to get vote. So we do all kinds of ideas is being put into to get the votes. Okay, so now it is their day to say that, but we know what we are doing.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
राहुल गांधी माफी मांगो,
माफी मांगो, माफी मांगो,
राहुल गांधी माफी मांगो,
माफी मांगो, माफी मांगो,
राहुल गांधी माफी मांगो,
माफी मांगो, माफी मांगो।
कांग्रेस पार्टी
मुर्दाबाद,
कांग्रेस पार्टी
मुर्दाबाद,
कांग्रेस पार्टी
मुर्दाबाद।